So I'm going to make a real quick video here. Here's the Action Lab guy. I love this guy. He makes a lot of really cool videos. Anyways, on this one, I'm going to disagree with him. He says that rockets work in a vacuum. So I'm going to go, no. And I'm going to use his own video to kind of show you what I'm talking about, and you decide. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can watch the whole video if you want. So take a look at this. So ingeniously, he makes a little rocket out of a syringe. And he actually has fuel in it that actually works in a vacuum. So that's pretty impressive. And watch what happens. Okay, so watch the thrust go straight across. And it hits the wall. And the rocket hasn't moved. Then it's building up on the wall, stronger and stronger. And then it moves. So it's obviously using the wall to push against.
Hey.
Listen to his own words.
You can see the stream of smoke particles shooting out of the rocket like a laser beam. Since there's very little air in the chamber, there's nothing for the stream of gas to bump into.
You mean it doesn't have air to push off of? That's my take anyway.